Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. The Melody of Love. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. February 3, 2019. I am an infinite being. I am, 3 times. I am multidimensional being. I am. 3 times. I am a member of the galactic family. I came to Earth to raise the consciousness of Gaia to a higher frequency. 2 times. I am that I am. I am that I am, 2 times. I am an infinite being. I form my physical environment, I change and make my world. I am. NB. For self and intentions for others done during stressful situations. Gaia is Earth. Put your own melody of love that appeals to your heart and mind. The above words will connect you to the divine mind of the universe. Deep breathing is done before and after singing. It works on Angel, Christina, and others for a decade. Learn meditation and the lyrics sync to your heart. You can sing it even without the threat of stress and panicky situations. Learn deep breathing as you sing. Go to in5d.com, press Health, and Angel Ornedo Jr. Thanks Arcturian messages of love. Infinite being are very strong words.